This is your place?
Yeah.
But you think
I'm a local here.
Yes, of course. But where are your family? Your parents are from
I have a family. I'm from Morocco.
Your parents were born in Morocco?
Yeah.
So how does that make you indigenous? Is that okay? Yes, perfect. איך זה, אם המשפחה שלך ממרוקו, איך את מקומית? Explain that. קשה.
My parents go to Israel when I was 10 years old.
Okay.
And I'm born here. My parents...
When they were 10 years old.
And they're coming. And I'm think that I'm a local here because I live here. I live this place. I know this place. That's what I want. That's what I want. I love Israel. I love this place. And that's why I'm a local here. And now in Morocco.
Respond.
I don't know. I don't know.